This daily report called a near Amazon Marketplace total collapse. Daily revenue dropped from 5,500 to just 500 in only 2 days. You can see what we have right here. A near critical error for our German store, saying that the sales have fallen off a cliff from 8,200, 500 to 3,000 on May 15 and to only 500 on May 16, which is a 94% decrease in 2 days. Tacos are showing 0% yesterday, meaning that ads have stopped running entirely. This is something that would require your attention immediately. And you as a seller will have to check marketplace sales, profits, ads, and trend changes separately. The problem is the major issues, like ad stopping or marketplace collapsing, can hide inside the data until the revenue is lost. So that's why I set up a daily account health check that would send a message to Slack on a daily basis, highlighting me the biggest issues and the most critical things that I should look for my Amazon business. Now, how is this possible? In DataDoe, we integrated with all of the sales and ads data for all Amazon marketplaces. We're pulling it daily, and we can see right here in the data scheme all of the available data points. What I've used to create this report is the profit by SKU and date, and from the ads, the ad performance by campaign and date, and ad performance by ASIN and date, meaning that this will give me an overview of how the business is going and are there any anomalies. How you can set this up for yourself is connect all of your marketplaces, wait 24 hours until the data is synced, open Claude, go into Claude Code, and use the skill that will be below in the description that you can just paste, and Claude will create this automation for you. You can see what's going on here. I have the daily performance report for yesterday, the May 16th, for my UK account on a 7-day trend basis. I can see all the main metrics like sales, orders, units sold, profit, ACOS, tacos, ROI. 7-day daily breakdown. We can also see the same for my German account, and the data is similar. Advertising, again, yesterday, and compared to the last 7 days, we can spot right here. And in the end, Claude told me what are the most important things that I should look for. We have the German marketplace with the critical issue that needs to be addressed immediately. And then we have the UK downward trend since May 14th peak, which had a strong revenue, but then maybe it was a promotion. Of course, for your business, you would know exactly, or you would be able to tell Claude, when do you have the promotions? Why do you have the big days? Or maybe you were liquidating stock, right? So that's why you had more revenue, but then we can see that the margins dropped. Again, this is a very quick automation that would run daily into your routines. You just need to have your computer on and Claude on in order to execute and send this message to Slack automatically. Of course, Slack is just one communication channel. You can set this up to send you an email or send you a telegram or whatever else that you're using. For more information, go in the description below. You'll find the skill that you need to paste into Claude in order to get this, and looking forward to seeing you in DataDoe. Thanks.